Workers deserve a union. Workers.
Many California independent contractors are left split with the passing of a new bill rooted in stopping the misclassification of workers. The Los Angeles Times reports that the bill would affect 1 million California workers. California Governor Gavin Newsom signed Assembly Bill 5 into legislation on September 18, requiring gig economy companies like Uber and Lyft to reclassify independent contractors as employees. As some rejoice over the idea of minimum wage pay, the potential for unemployment, others, like Steven Ramirez, who has been driving for Uber since March 2018, would rather stay independent.
I would say most of the Uber drivers, and now I'm under that category, kind of like the turn on and off.
Just like gig workers, freelance writers have also voiced their concerns and fears about AB 5.
What people don't understand is that we're small business owners. We're not, the slackers that are just laying around not doing anything. We are small business owners, and we need to have the same capabilities that a flower shop owner or a store owner has to be able to run our business.
Randy Dotinga echoes other freelancers' concerns about the passing of AB 5. Dotinga and a group of other journalists met with the bill author, Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez.
Lorena Gonzalez did help us, and we really appreciated what she added to the law to help us out. We just feel like she didn't go far enough.
Freelance writers were granted partial exemptions, with journalists, writers, and photographers being capped at 35 submissions per publication per year. While AB 5 does not take effect until January 2020, many independent California workers feel uneasy about their future. This is Darius Jahari reporting for CSUF News.